Hi, Julie here, and welcome to a Bird Be Gone video special. When a local high school in the community was under heavy bird pressure, Bird Be Gone donated an installed bird spike to exclude the pest birds. With the help of a local authorized installer, Kevin Hearn from Zap Pest Management, we provided expert product and services to exclude birds from the campus. In this video, we will be observing the effect of bird spikes at a local high school and talk best practices of installation with our authorized installer, Kevin. When we originally reached out to the high school, they were undergoing a year-long incremental process of excluding their pest bird infestation. We had the opportunity to provide them with the materials and labor to help expedite the exclusion process. The bird spike we donated physically deterred the pest birds away from a building overlooking the students' lunch area. For this job, we installed 8-inch stainless steel bird spikes. The 8-inch spikes were installed onto a 6-inch wide parapet. It is necessary to leave no less than a half-inch overhang between the end of the spikes and the edge of the wall. With the spikes now in place, the birds are actively prevented from landing and roosting on this wall. There were a variety of details which we asked Kevin to explain further about the job.
So the main reason why the birds are here is because this is the lunch area. Kids outdoor lunch, they leave a lot of crumbs behind and it doesn't get picked up quick enough. So the birds have ample space to look down into the courtyard and see the food sitting around, and it's just easy lunch for them. Progression of the job included using the lift to gain access to the rooftop. Once we got to the rooftop, we had to clean up the droppings. Once the droppings were cleaned, then we had to remove the old spike, which was on the ledge, and install new 8-inch bird spike to the ledge with adhesive.
Thank you, Kevin, for all of the time and professional expertise that you provided on this job. We hope that you enjoyed this Bird Be Gone video special, and we look forward to seeing you next time.